In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list every day this month in Google Sheets. If you're building a daily tracker and don't want to type dates one by one, this quick method will have your entire month laid out in seconds, perfectly ordered and easy to read. Start by clicking into the cell where you want your list to begin, and type the first day of the month. Be sure to include the year so Google Sheets knows exactly which month you're working with. For example, entering the full date avoids confusion caused by regional date formats and ensures Sheets recognizes it as a real date, not just text. After you press enter, you should see the date align like other numbers, which is a good sign it's been recognized correctly. Now, look at that cell's bottom right corner for a tiny blue square. That's the fill handle. Hover your cursor over it until you see a small plus sign, then click and drag straight down. Drag to row 31 on the left-hand side. As you pull down, you'll notice the dates increasing by 1 day in each row. Google Sheets is smart enough to handle different month lengths, so when you're working with a month like March, it fills all 31 days in order automatically. This saves you from miscounting or skipping a day, and it keeps your tracker neat and consistent from top to bottom. Here's a quick polish to make your list even more useful. Go to Format, then Number, and choose Custom Date and Time. In the formatting window, add the day of the week to your date. You can choose a short version, like Mon or 2, or the full weekday name if you prefer. This small change makes it easy to spot weekends at a glance and plan your entries accordingly. Before you apply the format, you'll see a preview of how your dates will look, so pick the style that's easiest for you to scan. If your text looks cramped afterward, just widen the column slightly so everything is readable. And that's it. In a few simple moves, you filled an entire month and made it clear which dates fall on which days. Your tracker is now ready for check-ins, notes, tasks, or anything else you want to log each day. If this helped speed up your workflow, hit that follow button for more Google Sheets shortcuts.